Hey, it's Dana
And Linus.
with Hitching Up.
Moving on.
We are in the small town of Paris, Arkansas, and this is the Logan County Courthouse behind us and the Logan County Veterans Memorial. And we are going to walk across the street to see the Eiffel Tower because we are in Paris.
Yes.
After all.
Turns around for a minute. And they have the in honor who served and died in World War II, World War I, and
Korean War, Desert Storm.
Yeah. Yep. And it's loud right here because we're on the main square. But beautiful courthouse. We salute the ones who served,
Yep.
of course, and also the 1st 206 Field Artillery. Wow. Very pretty place. It's a little, really neat little town. You know, it's kind of step back in time, and we went down to the place called a pizza barn, which sounds weird, but I'm kind of parked in a thing. But we went down there and ate a really good pizza. And so we're gonna walk over here to this thing for a minute. Yes, go here. Probably don't get a ticket for jaywalking. I don't know if they have a thing. Do they have a thing?
Yeah, they're stopping. It's stopping, so let this blue truck go and then we can go.
Okay.
It should be okay now.
And this ain't gonna be a very long video. We just wanted to stop and kind of visit this and see what it was about. And nice flower baskets out here. I'll video back a little bit. There you go. You wanna do it?
What?
You can keep on. Oh, you should do it.
Okay.
You're good. Let's go.
All right. So here we are at the Tour Eiffel, the Eiffel Tower in Paris, Arkansas. I just love it. It's adorable. It's so cute. Oh, I think they have a fence with locks. Oh, how cute is that? Just adorable. Gee, I always thought it was bigger. Really cute. Aw. Okay. The Love Lock Fence, Paris, Arkansas. Oh, how cute. Aw. Really neat. Linus even found a lock, so he's gonna lock us up.
Yeah, we don't have
on
a good marker,
the
so
Love Lock fence.
it won't
Okay,
last forever, but,
go find a spot. It's fine. Anywhere, it's fine. Okay, there we go. Okay, come here. Our love is now locked in.
Oh crap, we're in trouble now.
Love you.
Love you too.
Mwah. Also located in Paris is the Logan County Coal Miners Memorial and Museum. The day we went by, they were closed, but we did find out it was built in 2007. It features a 10-foot black stone statue of a coal miner with a museum house behind the statue. The museum has educational exhibits on the mining of coal with original equipment used for mining. They love to give educational tours, and you can call in advance to book a private tour for that experience. Please remember to like and subscribe. Hit that bell so that you get notified when we put out a new video. And please comment if you've been to Paris and done any of these fun things. Again, it's Dana and Linus with Hitching Up and Moving On. Remember, the best is yet to see.
Trying to wake up from a dream. It's harder is where I should belong.